does Rocksteady at King of the Pit TV.
Yes, now bless now. Don't forget the rest now. Des Rocksteady at KOTP TV. That's King of the Pit TV. Rain When I Die. It's track number 3 of 13 on Alice in Chains' record Dirt. Supposedly one of the best grunge records of all time. So far it's been heavy. With this one being at 6 minutes 2, I assume it might be a bit softer and slower, but we're going to have to find out. Let's jump straight into it. It's not as popular as Damn That River and Them The Bones, but, you know, there's only one way to find out what I think of it. Come on. I got to put some respect on the basis for this one. It's like a Nirvana-esque bass line, that Bleach era bass line. We in a different time signature here. What we doing? 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't keep up with the timing. What's the timing? Is it 3-4? Is 3-4 even a time sig? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And I normally associate that with like waltz feel, and it don't feel very waltzy to me. Is it 6-8? Here we go, such a bizarre riff during the verse. How they came up with those lyrics and melody is pure magic. Puts you in a trance. I inspire to have this kind of talent. Cool riff, cool change of pace. It's not as good as the prior two tunes. It's a bit overdrawn, this one. It's a good jam. It's a good jam. Lyrically speaking, I like it. I like the build up to the song title, the chorus, but cute little fade out there. Quite a long fade out. Yeah, that wasn't my favourite tune on the record. It was quite long form, wasn't it? We do have some long tunes on this, but I know there's some better ideas that I appreciate more from Alice in Chains. But let's not linger on the negative for too long. We've got Down in a Hole, which is a music video coming up next. And considering it's a music video at 43 million views, I know this is going to be tasty, alright?